Lewis is with us. She is an owner of Ultimate Creations Salon here in the Beaufort area, and she's also an author. And her book is called Breaking Free and Healing. And we'll find out more about the book in just a moment. Actually, on June the 27th, there'll be a book signing. But let's tell us a little bit about you and the salon. And I know you came to Beaufort with your grandmother, and then you went back up to New York, and then you came back, you said, when you were 33.
Yes.
And started your business.
Yes.
So tell us about the business. Let's start with that.
The business it's been in existence for 30 years.
Yeah.
May 1st, 96. And I'm a cosmetology instructor and a barber instructor. As a matter of fact, I had a barber salon for 10 years.
Okay.
Teaching gentlemen and ladies how to get their license and cut hair so that they can become entrepreneurs themselves.
So what kind of, so do you still do barbering and hair?
Yeah, not so much the instructing right now. I just focus on servicing my clients, because hair is much more than hair.
Oh, yeah.
It's about the heart of the matter.
It's about the heart of the matter.
Always.
Because your clients our customers are more than just clients, and they're friends.
Yeah, they
You probably have been doing
friends
people's hair for
for
years.
over 30 years. Over 30 years.
That's a
I still
blessing.
have some loyal clients,
Yes.
and I'm grateful. Grateful to God.
Yeah.
Yeah, for all
Grateful
of
to
it.
God, absolutely.
Yes, for all of it.
So they come in and they tell you all their woes and their
And
joys.
I forget some of it, and that's okay. But I remember if their dog is sick or their mom or dad or whatever, the most important things. And I just try to encourage them always,
Very good. And your salon is where?
It's 129 Burton Hill.
Okay.
It's Suite F. It's over by Lowe's
Okay.
and Domino's Pizza.
Okay.
And that's just a miracle in itself to be in
a great
existence for 30 years. No, there wasn't anything over there when I moved
that's
over
interesting.
there. It was just me and Domino's.
Now you're not going to retire, are you? No. Oh, look at that smile. And you have a pretty smile.
Well, thank you for that. So do you know, when God says so.
I agree.
Because I love what I do. I love servicing
yes,
people,
yes,
being
ma'am.
of service.
Yes, ma'am.
To others. Because people come not just for their hair. Like I said, they come because they need to talk. They want to feel better.
Right.
And just doing hair, having a new hairdo doesn't make our insides feel better.
Exactly.
It has to be some work poured into
So,
each client.
So Paulette, the book says, my 20-year battle with addiction.
Yes, ma'am.
So you want to tell us a little bit about your struggles?
Yeah. Well, the book entails from like being born to 33 years old. Okay. So my struggles were, and it just shows, I try to talk about family, the importance of family, even though I went off to my own path by my own choices. Some of it would be circumstantial, but I don't blame anybody. And it definitely deals with helping people to know how to forgive. Because that's the most important piece of life, no matter what, you know, and forgiving oneself, because for a long time I asked God for forgiveness when I came in touch with, with the Spirit of God, because you could know Him and not trust Him.
And you weren't forgiving yourself.
Not at all. And there was ways of, I started with one thing, smoking, and then I just smoking a cigarette,
and then it went
to
drugs.
other things.
Yeah.
And
so is the book for everybody, would you say?
Everybody. I believe it's everybody.
Breaking Free and Healing, and it's by Paulette Edwards.
That's
That's your middle name.
Yeah. No, Dash is my family name.
Oh, okay.
And
I
love it. I come from a good family, really.
Well,
my dad was a merchant marine.
Oh, wow.
Retired, gave a lot of his life to the sea.
Yes.
And my mother became a telephone operator for they used to call it My Bell.
Oh, I remember.
That's how old that is, right? And
Well, Paulette, our time is up, unfortunately,
Oh,
but
okay.
make sure you go and get the book and
Yes.
enjoy it. And,
course.
and also go to the Salon, Ultimate
Yes.
Creations.
Yes,
Thank you,
all are
Paulette.
welcome. Thank
Appreciate
you.
it. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
God
you,
bless you.
too.
And we'll
Thank
be
you.
right back with more North of
Thank
the
you.
Broad right after this.